Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix freezing and lagging issue in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, clear your Safari web history. So for that, open settings and scroll down and then click on Safari. Now here scroll down and here click on clear history and website data and then click on clear history, and after that restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your iPhone will start working properly. So if it's not working properly, then check if your all apps are updated or not. So to check all apps, open App Store and then click on your profile icon, and from here check the updates, and if any app is not updated then update the apps. And after that, if you have opened too many apps in the background, then remove all the apps from the background, and after removing the apps from the background, your mobile will stop freezing and lagging. And if it's still not working properly, then free up some space from your iPhone. So when you free up some space from your iPhone will stop freezing and lagging. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.